This quick guide video provides an overview of the elements shown in the visible speech mapping screen after a measurement has been performed. When a VSPM measurement is taken, we can see responses are generated on both the aided and unaided graphs. Let's focus on the aided graph first. This graph shows the real ear response at the eardrum with the hearing aid switched on. The thick line displays the curve, which is expected to match target and is the same as what you would expect to see in a traditional real ear aided response measurement. Surrounding the thick curve is a shaded region, which represents the louder and softer components of the speech signal. Thus, the range between the outer boundaries roughly represents the dynamic range that the hearing aid provides for the current stimulus. The visualization of the lower boundary can be used to counsel the patient that although their hearing aid is matching target, quite often not all sounds will be completely audible at all frequencies. This is useful for setting correct expectations. The upper boundary can be used to ensure that the louder components of speech fit within the patient's dynamic range. Displayed at the top of the graph is the Speech Intelligibility Index, which shows the audibility expressed as a percentage. By comparing the aided Speech Intelligibility Index with that on the unaided graph, one can get a feeling for the improvement provided by the hearing aid. This can be used as a powerful counselling aid for the clinician. Be aware that the calculation behind Speech Intelligibility Index takes into account that all speech information must be at a comfortable level. Thus, very high intensities might result in poor discrimination and therefore show a lowered speech intelligibility number. The unaided graph also provides a frequency response curve. This is representative of what would be obtained without the use of a hearing aid. The graph is obtained by the reference microphone outside the ear. The unaided graph and its speech intelligibility index can, for example, be used to demonstrate that despite a reasonable amount of audible information, the ear still clearly underperforms compared to the aided situation. This concludes this quick guide video on understanding the visible speech mapping display screen after a measurement has been taken.